everyone, Trish here. Thank you so much for coming in to say hi today. Today I am coming to you with a product review. This is a product that was sent to me. There's very few that I give a big ol' yes to. I was excited to get this. Now that I've had it and I have worn it for a while, I can't wait to tell you about it. So if you are interested to see exactly what I'm talking about, please keep watching. This was sent to me by Jeulia Jewelry. I am so excited. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's do the unboxing so I can put it back on. When you open the box, this is the little box that's inside that you're going to see. So let's open this bad boy up. So when you open it up, you get a little note that says stop. And what this is, it's telling you to make sure, do not remove the tags. If it's a ring, make sure the rings fit, bracelet, necklace, etc. Make sure you love it and you're going to keep it before you remove that tag. Then you get this. It tells you about the company. It tells you about the metals they use, just different things, the collections that they have. They have a lot. And then you have this. If you want to give it as a gift, it has a little gift envelope, a little gift bag. Perfect. And then you have the box. I think it is such a pretty box. Jeulia on it, as you can see. And then I put the rings together so you could see. Oh, is it not gorgeous? Now, I know not everybody is into all the blinginess. Y'all know, I don't care. I do what makes me happy and what makes me feel good. Now, when these came, they did come in a little bag. One of the bands was by itself. This is actually a 3-piece set. It has 2 bands and then the ring. My original wedding rings, it's a wrap style. So y'all know when we are raising fawns, I cannot wear a ring. And these are just as gorgeous by themselves. And the fawns can't get hurt. Don't have to worry about their eyes, about them biting or anything. As you can see, it is a wider set. But isn't it gorgeous? I love it. And the special she's having right now is a good one, especially if you are looking to buy gifts or looking to buy you one and somebody else one. Here's the special, 15% off site-wide. Use code H15. This is on the site, so you don't have to remember anything. Or buy 2 and get 1 free. So if you would like to have a matching ring with your daughter and your mom, with your daughters, with your best friends, I mean, sisters, it just on and on. Site, she has so many beautiful rings. She's got pendants, she's got earrings, charms, she's got bracelets, so many gorgeous things. I'm going to have a link down below. I'm going to have 2 links. I'm going to have one that takes you to the site, and I'm going to have one that takes you directly to the ring that I chose. This ring is, I'm going to have to read it because, you know, I'm old and I can't remember everything. This is the Jeulia 3-piece marquee cut sterling silver ring set. This is $125. That is not bad. This ring is 2.64 carat. It is a marquee cut. I have done dishes. I have showered. My hands are in water a lot. I have played with dogs. I have fed deer, farm life. Not one bit of discoloration, no issues. I am enjoying this. If you're not into bigger rings, then by all means, they have all different sizes. They have small, dainty bridal sets, engagement rings, just regular rings. They have everything. They have been a great company as far as communication with me. Shipping was super fast. I've been really excited to share this with you. I just think it's gorgeous. I love it. I do want to remind you again, if you do order something, leave the tags on it until you know it's going to work. Another thing as far as the rings go, because this is a wider ring set, I did go up a half a size. So I do want to say that, but also they do have, let me just show you super quick here. Okay, so here is my ring. We're going to scroll up. And right here where it says ring size, select size, right here it says size guide. You can open the size guide up. It's going to give you a way to measure and make sure you're getting the right size, because different companies do run a little bit different. And then you can also get engraving. But all in all, I love this. I think it's going to hold up beautifully. They do have 30-day return policy, 1-year warranty, and this scale of sterling silver is $9.25. So I think it's a win-win. I think it's not going to hurt any of us girls to treat ourselves a little bit. Nothing wrong with that at all. I might take a little look and treat myself. So I hope that you found this helpful. Thank you so much, Jeulia, for contacting me and asking me to review one of your products. I absolutely love this ring. And thank you to all of you, because if not for you, I wouldn't have been contacted and offered to do a review on this. And I am so thankful for you all for doing it. It's like you gave me a gift. So thank you. I hope that you all have a great day. I will have all the links down below if you're interested and what the sales are. So happy shopping, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye.